And I was like, you know what, it ain't gonna happen. I'm tired of people telling me something they do, you know. Just don't tell me something I don't need to hear. That it's going to be true. It's a waste of people's time.
I mean, you know, we do in my car. We do have a. I mean, it don't matter either. You know what I'm saying? Right? Got in there,